Hi friends, welcome back to Bits for Homeo. In this video we are going to discuss the conjunctivitis and homeopathic therapeutics with simple mnemonic. Conjunctivitis also has madras eye, pink eye and eye flu. It is redness and inflammation of the membranes of covering the white portion of the eye and on the inner part of the eyelids is called conjunctivitis. And the causes for the conjunctivitis both bacteria and virus. If it affect with the bacteria, it is called bacterial conjunctivitis. If it affect with the virus, when it is red and inflamed eye, then it is called the viral infection of the called viral conjunctivitis. Viral conjunctivitis is the one of the symptom of the COVID-19 virus. The symptoms of the conjunctivitis vary from the moderate to severe. It may be mild, it may be severe. It depends upon the severity of the symptom. And the first symptom is redness. Eye redness is a common symptom for the all conjunctivitis, whether it is viral or it bacterial. Coming to the next symptom of the conjunctivitis, after the redness there is a swollen and red eyelids. In this picture you can observe the swollen and red eyelids. And another symptom for the conjunctivitis, there is a watery eyes, always producing the water than the normal days. And the next symptom is always rubbing the eye. You feel that there is something in that eye. With this rubbing there is a more aggravation of the symptoms. Each symptom helps in the prescribing a suitable correct remedy. In conjunctivitis there is a burning and sensation and itching sensation, so the patient always rubbing the eyelids. In conjunctivitis there is a disturbance in the vision, that is blurred vision, very sensitive to the light is called photophobia. These symptoms mostly appear in the bacterial conjunctivitis. There is a creamy white discharges and thick yellow drainage from the eyelids, and next it becomes to the red and the eye looks like puffy and sticky at the early morning. It indicates a bacterial infection. When coming to the viral infections, there is red eye and watery eye discharges. And coming to the other symptoms, there is a agglutinated and sticky eyelids from the eye discharges. In allergic conjunctivitis, there is a sneezing and nasal discharges, and it is accompanied with the eye, and it is called the rhinoconjunctivitis. These symptoms helps in the prescribing the most suitable remedy. Here is a mnemonic which provides the whole clinical features with this word. You know very well rods and cones. Rods, R resembles for redness and rubbing, and O resembles for edema, and D resembles for discharges, and E resembles for watery eyes, and S resembles for the sensitivity. Is photophobia. Euphrasia, it is the best and top grade remedy. It mainly acts on redness and swelling and watery eye discharges. It helps in the cataract affections of mucous membrane, and it betterly recommended when inflamed eye with acrid discharges. If you see in the picture, there is a redness and the burning and itching in the eyes and swelling of the eye. There is a all-time watery in the eye. There is a thin watery discharges, and mainly is a top remedy for the allergic conjunctivitis along with the bland nasal discharges. Coming to the another best remedy is belladonna. Belladonna is bestly marked in the redness and swelling. It helps very well in the acute conjunctivitis. The must remember the points is it is red and dry and swollen, and the belladonna is meant for the congested, and there is a blurred vision, photophobia, mainly the elements from the drought hair and cold wind and cold hair. There is a throbbing pain in sensation and the pain in the eyeballs. Euphrasia and the belladonna both well acts in the allergic conjunctivitis. And the best another remedy is pulsatilla. It must remember when the conjunctivitis is affected with the mucopurulent discharges. The discharges are green and the eye discharges with mucopurulent, and the secretions are, these are the important point, the secretions from the mucous membranes. If you observe the picture in the bacterial conjunctivitis, most bacterial conjunctivitis affected with the symptoms thick and bland and yellowish green discharges. Coming to the argentinum nitricum. Argentinum nitricum helps in the conjunctivitis with agglutinated and sticky eyelids. It will help in the acute granular conjunctivitis with scarlet red and raw beef, and mainly when it is a copious mucopurulent discharges and well indicated in the ophthalmia neonatrum. And another well indicated remedy is borax when in conjunctivitis with the agglutinated and sticky eyelids, conjunctivitis with the eyelashes loaded with the dry gummy and agglutinated in the mostly in morning time, inflamed eye. These are the main symptoms of the borax. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and share.